In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix webcam issues in Zoom. Troubleshoot web camera not working in Zoom. If your camera isn't showing up in Zoom, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you confirm the right settings and get your video back quickly. Start on your Zoom dashboard. Look for the small gear icon. In this layout, you'll find it toward the bottom left. Click that gear to open Zoom's settings panel. This is where Zoom keeps all of the options that control how your camera behaves during meetings. Once the settings panel is open, head to the Video and Effects section. This area collects anything related to how your video looks and which device Zoom should use. Now, inside Video and Effects, go to the Video tab. Think of this as the control room for your webcam inside Zoom. Here, you'll see a place to choose the camera you want. Look for the drop-down menu that lists available devices. Click it, and you'll see the names of the connected cameras. If you know the name of your webcam, select it. Often, built-in cameras might show up with a simple name, while external webcams may display a brand and model. After you select a device, give it a moment. The live preview area should update and show your image if that camera is working. You might also notice a small light on your webcam turning on. That's a good sign it's active. If you're not sure which name matches your webcam, test each device in the list one by one. Select the first option, wait a second to see the preview, then move to the next if needed. This quick process helps you identify the right camera without guessing. If none of the listed devices works, there are a few likely causes. It could simply be that your webcam isn't plugged in all the way, especially if it's an external USB camera. Some webcams also have a physical privacy shutter or a small on-off switch. If that shutter is closed or the switch is off, Zoom won't be able to show video, and in some cases, the webcam itself may be faulty. Address those possibilities first, then return to the same Video tab and try the drop-down again. Once you've selected the correct camera and confirmed the preview looks good, you're set. That's the whole process. And there you go. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve most basic Zoom webcam issues quickly. That's all.